Starlink of Elon Musk dominates the global satellite industry. Starlink's vision and mission. In 2015, when Elon Musk unveiled the Starlink project, many viewed it as a far-fetched idea, an ambition too grand to become reality. However, for Musk, this was more than just a technological project. Starlink embodied a long-term vision, a world where everyone, no matter where they are, could access information, knowledge, and connect with others via the internet. This was not merely an ambition but a mission Musk set forth to shape the future. With the bold goal of providing high-speed, low-latency internet from satellites orbiting Earth at low altitudes, Musk has created a game-changing shift in the telecommunications and space industries. Starlink is not just a solution for remote areas, where fiber optics and traditional infrastructure cannot reach, but also a challenge to previously held technological boundaries. Within less than a decade, Starlink has evolved from a concept on paper into a monumental reality. By the end of 2024, the system had launched over 4.800 satellites, more than any nation or organization in history. This achievement not only positioned SpaceX as the company with the largest satellite network globally, but also demonstrated Musk and his team's extraordinary ability to turn seemingly impossible goals into reality. Each Starlink satellite is not just a high-tech device but a representation of the dream for global connectivity. With self-adjusting capabilities, stability in low orbit, and laser signal transmission, these artificial stars have broken down geographical barriers, ushering in a new era of global wireless connectivity. Starlink is more than a telecommunications project. It is a symbol of the ambition and power to transcend limits, blending strategic vision with advanced technology. It heralds a future where connectivity is no longer a privilege but a fundamental right for everyone. In this journey, Elon Musk has proven that sometimes the biggest dreams are the most achievable when pursued with determination. The success of Starlink, peak of technology and strategy. Starlink's technological supremacy. Starlink stands out not just for its impressive scale, but also for its revolutionary technological advancements. Starlink's satellite system is designed with optimal simplification, compact yet highly powerful. These satellites are capable of automatically adjusting their orbits to avoid collisions with other objects in space. This feature not only enhances safety but also minimizes the risk of generating space debris, a significant challenge in modern aerospace. One of the most groundbreaking innovations is Starlink's use of laser-based signal transmission rather than relying entirely on ground stations as traditional satellite systems do. Satellites communicate directly with one another using lasers, creating a tightly linked network in the sky. This not only improves data transmission speeds but also reduces latency to a minimum, providing an internet experience that is as fast and smooth, if not faster, than fiber optic networks. This connectivity is not just suitable for basic internet access but also supports complex applications like online gaming, video conferencing, and 4K content streaming anywhere in the world. Another key to Starlink's success is SpaceX's use of reusable Falcon 9 rockets for satellite launches. This revolutionary approach drastically reduces the cost of launching into orbit. Instead of costing hundreds of millions of dollars per launch, as traditional systems do, Falcon 9 offers superior efficiency by being reusable multiple times without compromising reliability. This has enabled SpaceX to deploy satellites at an astonishing speed, continually expanding the Starlink network within a short period. The combination of advanced technology and effective deployment strategy has propelled Starlink far ahead of competitors like the UK's OneWeb, Amazon's Kuiper project, and other national satellite projects. While competitors remain in the testing phase or are launching small batches of satellites, Starlink has already achieved global scale, providing services in over 50 countries and territories. Moreover, Starlink continues to innovate, with plans to launch tens of thousands more satellites in the future, creating an unrivaled coverage network. This breakthrough not only redefines how the world perceives satellite internet but also affirms Elon Musk's far-reaching vision of using technology to eliminate connectivity barriers, ensuring equal access to information for everyone on Earth. Global impact of Starlink. One of Starlink's most significant impacts is its ability to bridge the digital divide. For decades, communities in remote areas, where geographical conditions and limited infrastructure made internet access elusive, are now connected to the global knowledge network. Isolated villages, remote islands, and even Antarctic research stations can now access online services, including education, healthcare, and remote work opportunities. This not only improves quality of life but also promotes greater equality in access to technology and knowledge. Furthermore, Starlink plays a critical role in supporting the growth of the digital economy. With stable connectivity available anywhere, Starlink has opened new business opportunities. Businesses in remote areas can now participate in the global market through e-commerce, financial transactions, and international marketing. Online education has also become more feasible, enabling students in remote areas to access high-quality courses taught by leading universities worldwide. These platforms not only drive economic growth but also foster innovation and sustainable development in underserved communities. In addition to providing internet services, Starlink has become a reliable backup network solution, particularly in emergencies, when natural disasters like earthquakes, hurricanes, or widespread blackouts occur. Traditional internet networks often experience severe disruptions. In such situations, Starlink, with its direct satellite connections, serves as a lifeline, maintaining communications and supporting rescue and recovery efforts. Moreover, in the face of increasingly sophisticated cyberattacks, using Starlink as an independent system reduces the risk of disruptions to critical information, safeguarding economic and national security activities. Challenges and controversies. Despite its undeniable benefits, Starlink's rapid expansion and large scale have raised numerous concerns. From monopoly risks and threats to space sustainability to complex geopolitical implications. 1. Risk of monopoly. With its fast deployment and vast satellite network, Starlink dominates a significant share of the global satellite internet market. This raises concerns about the potential for a private company like SpaceX to control information flows on an unprecedented scale. This power not only raises questions about fair competition in the telecommunications industry, but also poses risks of manipulation or monopoly over internet services. In areas where Starlink becomes the sole option, governments may lose control over telecommunications infrastructure, jeopardizing national security. 2. Space debris. The rapid increase in satellites and the tens of thousands planned for deployment significantly heightens the risk of collisions in space. Collisions generate debris, polluting orbits and threatening other space missions. This phenomenon, known as Kessler syndrome, could lead to a chain reaction, making space utilization more dangerous and limiting future exploration. This impacts not only Starlink but also poses major risks for all nations and organizations operating in space. 3. Interference with astronomy. The system has unintended consequences for astronomical studies. Astronomers have reported that satellite reflections interfere with sky observations. Ground-based telescopes, reliant on clear space imagery, are increasingly disrupted by Starlink satellites, complicating the study of celestial phenomena. This is a technical and scientific challenge, hindering critical discoveries like tracking asteroids or observing major cosmic events. Starlink's competitors and the new space race. Despite Starlink's leading position, it is not alone in the global tech arena. Competitors like OneWeb, Amazon's Kuiper, and national projects from China and Russia are rapidly advancing. OneWeb UK focuses on enterprise and government connectivity with plans for over 7.000 satellites. Kuiper, Amazon-backed by Jeff Bezos, aims to deploy over 3.200 satellites, leveraging Amazon's vast resources. China and Russia, developing their networks to reduce reliance on foreign systems, adding a geopolitical dimension to the space race. Future prospects. Elon Musk and SpaceX aim to expand Starlink to up to 42.000 satellites. The project's ambitions extend to integrating with Tesla's autonomous vehicles, supporting IoT applications, and advancing 6G networks. Starlink promises to reshape how people connect with technology, driving humanity further into the digital age. Conclusion. Starlink is not just redefining internet access. It is shaping the future of connectivity and human interaction. However, Balancing rapid technological progress with global responsibility is crucial. Starlink is not only changing how we access the internet, it is transforming the very future of humanity.